Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Snapchat and going straight to your profile. Tap the gear settings icon to access account controls. Once done, find mobile number under my account. This is where the connection lives. If Snapchat shows a verified number, you can remove it from here. Tap the number to see options. Make sure you're using your primary device and a stable connection, because Snapchat may re-verify if sign-in methods change or 2FA is enabled. You now tap the phone number and choose Remove or Edit. Select Remove to disassociate it from your account. Snapchat may ask for your password or to confirm via email. Follow those prompts to complete the action. If two-factor authentication uses that number, make sure to switch 2FA to an authentication app or backup method first, otherwise you could lock yourself out. Once confirmed, the number will no longer appear under mobile number. You should sign out and sign back in to verify the number is gone. Navigate to settings again to confirm. If the number still appears, remove any linked phone devices and revoke app permissions on connected services, then repeat removal steps. If Snapchat forces re-verification or refuses removal, reset your password and retry, or contact Snapchat support from the app with screenshots. One troubleshooting tip: disable two-factor temporarily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.